Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the Crane M2. So the Crane M2 is a device that helps you to easily put your camera in a very minimal angle that's kind of like self-regulate. So you know that kind of situation whereby you are using your phone to film or even your normal camera, and then you're moving around and the video will just be shaking like that. So with this handheld device, even when you're moving up and down, even when your hand is shaking, the video is not being affected at the same time. And it also kind of like relieve you of that stress of using your hand to hold the device for a very long time. Now this particular Crane M2 device I bought can be used on both phone devices and normal cameras. So that is the major reason I had to get this, and I needed something very portable for travel. Yeah, so that when I travel I don't have to worry about not having my tripod or not having a stand. So something very very minimal that I can easily put in my bag. This was the motivation for getting this particular device. So the next thing you'll be seeing is me unboxing this device for us to see what this looks like. I've not looked at it yet, so we're going to be seeing it first and together. So let's dive right in. All right, so it's time for us to unbox this device. So as you can see, the name of the device is Crane M2, and let me see, this is Zhiyun. So and this is the image. This is what this particular handheld crane looks like. So these are the features. I'm yet to open it. So these are the things that they wrote at the back. All in one, ultimate versatility. So basically with this device you can pretty much put your normal camera on it, and you can also put your phone. So right now I'm doing this video in Bangkok, and then I'm not at home. I'm not with my, I actually bought this device in Lagos, sorry, in Abuja, before boarding the flight. So I think a day before I traveled, and then I was thinking about how I was going to be holding my phone when I want to video. Because at the time I was traveling or about to travel, I was contemplating between carrying my normal camera or using my iPhone 16 Pro Max to snap. So since I've not actually like utilized the iPhone 16 Pro Max or used it, because that's one of the reasons I bought the phone, so I decided to say, okay, let me use it to shoot for this trip, and then see what the pictures and the videos look like, and then kind of like do some kind of competitive, what they call it, comparison, yeah. So like trying to compare between the Sony ZV-10 and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So now let's get back to this. So I just removed the nylon, and this is still the carton. So I'm opening it right now. So this shouldn't be difficult. So right now I'm still using my iPhone 16 Pro Max to do this video. So you be the judge. Tell me whether the quality of the video is good or not. Whether you prefer it to the Sony ZV-10. You also let me know. So this is just the manual. So these are the manual that came with it. And this is what is going to like help us to fix this device. When it comes to things like this, I'm pretty very lazy. So, but let's see. I like the way they package this. Makes sense. Makes sense. I mean, I could have even still be able to like travel with it just with this container without even carrying the carton, because I think the carton made my box bigger. So this is nice. So I love the packaging to begin with, and then this is the product name actually, like Zhiyun Crane M2. Alright, so this is what we are supposed to be holding like this. You see the way it's rolling. Okay, so I think this is the one that works with phone, and then these are the other things. I believe it's not everything I'm going to be using at the same time, so depending on what I want to do at that particular time, that's what will determine what I'll be needing. So this is the charger. It's type C. Is it type C? Yes. Yeah, so that's type C charger. This is for the phone. So I think what is left is for us to like figure out where we are putting this particular one. So I need to go check the manual to be able to do that. And this is the tripod. So this is, that's a mini leg. That means if you want to stand it, you can see stand it, and it can be like this. That is almost like completely flat. I don't think it can really stand where it's like this because it's kind of painful right now. So it's actually meant to go down really flat. So but I did just the mini tripod, nothing fancy. Yeah, it can also be like this too. This also works. So this works this way. So assuming we want to add a tripod, just add a tripod. I think it's like the easiest part of this setup. So this is the tripod now. Yeah, so this is like the base, and then you can just use it like this. So similar to the way it is in this carton. So now let's even look at the carton and see. So as you can see, this carton, this thing is like this, and then the camera is, yeah, the camera will be somewhere here inside this space here. So I don't have my camera here, so let me focus on how to set it up for phone. So let me tighten this before this will fall out. Okay, so quickly take a look at the manual. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have learned something. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section, and please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends out there, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.